Everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. We have another great video tutorial. We are going to do a very quick, very easy, you don't need any special tools. All you need is paper, ink, and scissors for this one. Now, I would recommend we're going to be doing some cutting for this card, so I'd recommend our paper snips or, big scissors. It's a little bit harder, but really good cutting scissors is what you need. Okay, we are going to be using the Reindeer Fun stamp set. We don't need the dies for this one. We're just using the stamp set. And then we are using the Reindeer Days designer paper. It's 12 by 12 paper. Comes with a ton of different patterns. We have reindeers, hollies, presents, jingle bells, all kinds of designs on here. So we'll be using, and I'm going to use this one on today's card, but you could use this one or this one. Any of these would do. So you can get 6 cards out of one sheet, and you get 2 of each pattern. So that's 12, 24, 36 cards you could get out of this one. And then we'll use this reindeer paper. I love this one. It has a ton of reindeer, and that's why you need the cutting scissors, because you do have to cut them out. Unless you have something like maybe a Brother Scan-A-Cut or something that will cut them for you, then more power to you. But if you just use scissors, just sit down while you're watching a movie or something and do some fussy cutting. All right. Oh, by the way, when I checked the other day, these peppermints were back in stock. I don't know how long they'll last. Just letting you know, those peppermints are back in. Now, we're not using those. We are going to use our iridescent adhesive back discs. These are in the annual catalog. Let me get a better pack that has the green in it. These are in the annual catalog. We used these for Christmas last year. We still have them. They go with every paper that's in the mini catalog. So, and you get a ton of these. We get, how many? 200 discs, and all these will work for the mini catalog. So if you can't find what you're looking for, you get 5 colors. You get pool, I think it's pool party or blue, I don't know, some sort of blue. But they're iridescent, so they kind of go with both colors, either balmy blue or pool party. We have pink, red, white, and green. So this is what we're going to use. All right, so I'm using this background, which does have some blue as well. So my blue disc would go along with my green. And so I'm using Granny Apple Green for my base. And then I have a mat of garden green, and then we're going to put our designer paper onto that and then glue it to the front. So we're not doing a whole lot of embellishments. We're just using the one. You don't even need ribbon. This is a nice quick card to put together. Once you do your cutting, that takes the longest, just letting you know. Okay, glue that to the front. And then because it's a little bit darker, I'm going to use a piece of white for the inside for my writing. Okay, almost done. I mean, how easy is that? Okay, I have a strip of a 1/2 inch. It's long, it's just a scrap. Everybody's got tons of these when you're cutting, because when you cut your insides, you always have 1/2 inch strips left over. So we're going to take this 1/2 inch strip, and we're going to stamp the Merry Christmas sentiment, hopefully straight. I don't feel like that was straight, but oh, it is. It looks good. Okay, let's go ahead and stamp an inside sentiment if I have one. Oh, let's see. I have this one. May all your days be full of cheer. Okay. I'm just going to slap that on the back because it's long too. And I stuck my finger in ink. It's not officially stamping until you've gotten ink on your fingers. Okay, we'll just use that for the inside. All right. So with this, I am going to flag the front end, the Merry merry end. So I just cut a little slit down the middle and then flag my end like that. And then we're going to just cut off the end even. I'm going to line it up with the side of my card so I can use that as a guide. That's not where I'm going to glue it, but that's just kind of helps me cut it straight. And also going to cut this one. This is just a 1/2 inch strip. And I think I'm going to cut it maybe this way, give it a little different angle. I'm going to adhere this right about here. Okay, and then I am going to, I think we'll pop this one up with some dimensionals. I know I took dimensionals out. Did I put them somewhere? Who knows? Who knows where they went? Let's see, I've got a little bit left here. I've got some edges, that's what we'll use. I'm just gonna put a little bit there and then some on this side. Okay, I'm gonna just pop this up with a little bit of that green showing, about half of the green. And then I have already cut my reindeer. I did this because, you know, it just takes a couple minutes, and who wants to watch me do that? All right, I'm going to grab a couple dimensionals, just enough to hold my reindeer up. And then we'll pop it up right there. I just wanted, she's only got 1 foot touch in the ground, so just gonna have that kind of overlapping a hair. And then we'll grab a couple of our fun little green gems. I like the green ones because it kind of goes with the trees. I'm just gonna do 3, I think. And that's it. Oh my gosh, how quick did that go? Can you imagine how many you could make in just a couple of hours? When you're if you're making Christmas cards and you want to mass produce them, this is an excellent one to do that. Now this glitter paper right here is, let's see, it's kind of hidden in the catalog. Where is it? I just thought I saw it. It's closer to the back, right here. It's hidden back here. It's the Festive Glimmer Paper. It's got garden green, which is what I used. It has cherry cobbler and granny apple green. So any of these 3 would work for our cute little strip right here. And then you could also use your red gems if you wanted. So that's it. How quick and easy. I'll post measurements and supplies on my blog, and I would love to have your order. Any orders of $30 or more get a pack of cards for our from our card kit. Oh, I see. I am rotating down. I don't know why this doesn't say straight. I am so sorry. I hope you didn't miss out on any of that. All right. Oh my goodness. All right. So, and then $50 or more, you'll also get a pack of embellishments. So, thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.